Hey y'all, it's Lynn. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with y'all a little bit of what Travis is working on. And we'll be outside a good bit today. So I just thought I'd make a video showing a few clips of us doing different things other than in the kitchen. But at the end, I'm going to share a veggie omelet that we done for breakfast. Let's get started. Y'all look at here. How I'm finally starting to get some cucumbers. Got a ton of blooms. And I've got a few little cucumbers starting. Those little butterflies, they've been working all day. And right here's my tomato plant. It's starting to do good. My grandbaby grew me that one from a seed. And here's our green beans that I put just right here next to the pork trail. And just look, I've got to get these picked. I've already picked them like 4 or 5 times. But even if you only have a small area to grow you a garden and some vegetables, just look what a few little green bean seeds can give you. We're going to get those picked today. And instead of flowers, in my little flower bed, which I've got a few hostels, this is where I plant my squash, my green beans, and over on the other side we have our cucumbers, another tomato plant, and these green beans, they just are taking over, but that's good. They're loaded in green beans again for me. I've got to get them picked. And y'all look at this little tomato plant. It's got one little teeny tiny tomato on it. Our grandbaby grew that one also. Got a few little squash on this one. The little butterflies, they love them cucumber blooms. I'm going to take you out here and show you where we planted our sweet potatoes. How pretty they're looking. Turn y'all around here where y'all can see them. But they're starting to grow and hang over the barrel. They're getting real thick. We had a little rain lately, so they're liking it. Now right here on this one, I've got something that's been eating on that one. I've got to spray it. But overall, they look pretty good. There's one of them little butterflies out here too. I'm not going to let them get way long this time. I'm going to keep them trim. I'm going to let them get to about the bottom of the barrel, and that's it. I'll take y'all out here and show you some blackberries. Y'all look at those pretty blackberries. I'm going to get me some of those picked. Y'all look how pretty those are. Look how pretty those blackberries are to be wild. Whoa, whoa. Now these green beans are the kind of green beans my father-in-law Emery used to grow. These are the kind that you do have to take the strings off. They're pretty thick strings. Next year I'm going to try to look for the kind that don't have these strings on them. But I got a good mess of green beans today. And soon I'll have some cucumbers. Now right here I'm going to add just a few little clips of his chicken coops he's making. It's been real hot out here and he's been trying to get these done. He's doing 3. One for us, one for Alan and Haley, one for TJ and Devin and the girls. So it's a big job. When he gets done, I'll show y'all a video of what they turn out to look like. I'll show a video of how our chicken coop turned out. It's best if y'all are interested in building a chicken coop. But I thought I would get this real quick little clip just to show y'all. Today, y'all, we're making a veggie scramble. Y'all come on, let's get started. I have these peppers and onions already diced up. I try to keep that in my fridge all the time. So we're going to start by cooking some of that up. I'm going to put a few little cherry tomatoes in it. A little black pepper. A little salt. Two eggs. Now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to add some spinach to that. Won't take long for that to cook down. And if you had some mushrooms, you could put some mushrooms in this. But this is just a real healthy breakfast. Got protein. And it's got a lot of vitamin C from your bell peppers. Okay, I'm going to spray this side just a little bit. I'm going to pour in my 2 eggs. I'm going to let that start cooking. Turn the heat down just a little. Okay, now that my eggs are pretty much done, I'm going to start adding in my vegetables back in. Now I'm going to put just a little cheese on top. And just sort of fold that in. And now we're going to top it with just a little bit more cheese. And then a real light coat of Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to just chop up a few little green chives for the top. And there y'all go. That's how I make a veggie scramble.